Sir Jamie, yes, I'm home now after work and after a meeting. Oh my God. After work and after meeting. Thank you, Sir Jamie. Oh my God. That's good. Yes, tomorrow working again. Need to work tomorrow. Hi, Mike. Thank you for joining. Dedicate mostly through the clouds. Yes. Yes, sir. Sir Jamie. The for the fields. Yes. Yes po. So tell me where do I start? Because it's breaking my heart. Don't wanna let her go. Thank you, 5 million. Must be cold, yeah. Cold at night here. And hot at the day. Hello po. Hi, Sir Don. I'm resting. Just resting po. Just home. Just at home. Hi, Blue Crew. Hello, Sir Darren. Sir Darren, hello po. Hello, Jamie from Sir Don. Thank you for 8 people po. Thank you so much. Hey, Darren, Jimmy Don from Mike. How was your day? My day is good day. Hey, classic from Sir Jamie. 12 people. Hello, classic from Sir Don. Cheryl, I better bowling man is lurking. Ah, yeah. Hi, Sir Fred, the bowling man. Furman Wadi. Hi, Furman Wadi. Ay, nako. Sabi ko ingatan naman. Ay, nako. Naabot pa lang baga ako. Paano ko man maano yun? Naabot pa lang ako. Thank you, Sir Furman Wadi. Oh my God, you dance. I love dance. Sir Darwin, did you eat? Not yet. Just at home. Just home. Not yet eat dinner.
Tumama dito.
Name mo dito?
Ito dito.
Oh, ano ka? Nagaan ka na?
Apa.
Nagkakabibihan.
Thank you. May manang tagal ka.
Wow, so nice. Posa N. What is that? Ay, Posa N pala. Yung
Subong ka sa ako, mama.
Hmm?
Ano, baka lang kasi mo.
Mura.
Wala ko may bawang tapos tilog.
Aram code. Hi, Aram. Yeah, I've been watching your dance moves and yeah, you have done. Thank you po. Thank you, Sir Darin. Miguel. Hi, Miguel.
Pili na kami nursing? Nadala ka na nursing. Sige na yan. Pag-una mo pagsak kami sa nursing.
You need dance partner? No, I don't need. I don't need a dance partner. My God, that mind is thinking hard this morning. I think a lot. Yeah, I think a lot. I always think a lot. Yeah, I was thinking the same. Sir Dayron, Chucky, Share. My gulay. Oh, my gulay. Beautiful Morena. Morena. Yes, my skin is a brown, light brown. That's why we call this a morena. Morena. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell and comment, guys. Thank you, Darin. How are you, Cher? I'm fine. Thank you, Chucky. Hi, Belly. Thank you, Belly.
Ay, sus.
Nag-i-mod talaga. Tugara pa yung screen protector. Pati cellphone mo, di mo iniingatan. Dapat nag-iingat. Ay, sus. Di mo agi-agi sa sorry. Yeah, you need to smile more and show the beauty. Sometimes can't smile like when tired something. Oh my God. Kuya Dre, thank you, Kuya. How are you, Kuya Dre? Jollibee. The Jollibee. Always happy. Jollibee is always happy. Hi, hi, Kuya. Hello everyone from Kuya Dre.
Karaan sa karayo.
I see you working hard to do Jollibee. I think maybe, but I need to do that because of but I think someone here is working hard than me. So not only me. So that's why. Normal life. Sir Darren, I'm living here in the Bicol province, Philippines. I'm look tired. Oh my god. Golden Blade. Hi Golden. I'm back, neighbor. Oh my god, Jerome. Albert Torres. Albert Torres. Sorry. Everyone has to work to survive. Yes. Yes, everyone need to work to survive. Very noisy in the background. Yes, because I'm too close of the basketball court here. Hi, Robert Lawrence. Oh my god. Ikaw nasa isip. True that, darling. Yes. Need to work to survive. Need to pay the bills, to buy foods. Okay, lots of kids playing basketball, yeah. Lots of kids playing basketball po. I have a question. What's your favorite love song? Favorite love song? Favorite love song. Oh, I forgot that song. My God. Biglan, thank you, Biglan. How are you, Biglan? Ay ko. Getting hot na. Getting hot na here. Oh, thank you so much, Bigla. Oh my God. Hey, Baglan. Thank you. Oh my God. I need to. Ah. Oh my God. I pen success. Wait. Hey, Kuya. 5 more days to Cheryl's birthday. How could we make everyone and make it special? Sending support chat and people. Thank you, Mike. Jollibee, just I'm fine, Big Lon. Jollibee just stopped by the live curfew. I'm working. Oh my god. Oh my god. Sorry, Kuya. Sorry, Kuya Dre. May gulay. DJ Ricky, DJ Ricky, DJ Ricky. Oh my god, your birthday is close to mine. Ah, really, Sir Darren? Yeah, mine is in 2 days. In 2 days time. 2 days time? Opo, Jollibee birthday. Utang super chat. Tapos Kuya Dre, it's okay. Oh my God. No need to No need to utang. It's fine. Oh my God. Bye-bye everyone. Thank you, Kuya. It's fine, Kuya. No worries. It's fine. It's okay. Oh my God. See ya, Kuya Darren. From Darren. Thank you, Kuya Dre. Joke lang. DJ Ricky. Oilinda Bombia. Bombia. Yeah, I see you later. See you later. Got to go to work. You take it easy today, but I know you won't. So Jamie. Thank you, Sir Jamie. Take care, take care, Sir Jamie. Take care. God bless. Have a nice day. Brazil, Cariacica, Espírito Santo, 9:03 a.m. See ya, Jamie from Sir Darren. Take care, Sir Jamie. Take care always. God bless you. See you, Darren. You too, wild thing. Wild thing. Thank you, Sir Darren. God bless you. Take care. Hey, kuya. Mali pala ang pin ko. Mali. Sorry. Hey, kuya. Thank you so much. Analik mo, namimiss ko. Analik mo, namimiss. Bakit iniwan mo ni Star? Hi, Star. I feel ni Star. I'm Star. Bukas. Birds speak both our beautiful house. Thank you, Sir Darren. Di ko maipaliwanag Sleepyhead, go to sleep and get a good night rest. Yeah, so sleepy. You look tired. Yeah, I felt tired. Maybe I need to rest for a while. Thank you so much, guys. Need to rest. And yeah, thank you so much. The headache. Ow. Thank you. God bless. Love you all. Bye bye.